Sometimes I like to head out on the trail and conquer the wild terrain. And a bed cover really limits my storage. I mean, sure, it keeps out the dust and the elements, but I want all my gear available to me. But the Weston EXP topper gives me the best of both worlds. It's a 5-piece modular construction giving unparalleled strength and weight savings. It's got these integrated roof rails for effortless accessory mounting, and it comes with a built-in LED third brake light for added safety and visibility. And I can easily access the side of my truck bed with these awesome side access doors. Oh, great! Sorry about that. And for added security, the side access doors have heavy-duty locking T-handles. And it's got a convenient auto lock and unlock feature giving you easy rear access at the touch of a button. There's integrated interior T-slot extrusions and emergency release levers. And it comes in a matte black powder coat finish to help it withstand corrosion, ensuring long-lasting durability. If you think the Weston EXP topper would look awesome on your ride, check out westonautomotive.com. The Pusey EX50 and EX75 are the most efficient transfer pumps you can buy. The EX50 has a true flow rate of 15 gallons per minute, while the 75 has a rate of 20 gallons per minute. The EX50 and EX75 both come with spring-loaded vanes and grooved rotors. This allows for a higher flow rate, and it also eliminates vapor lock on hot summer days just like today. These pumps come with industry-leading features like this anti-kink technology on each end of the dispense hose. This will keep your hose from kinking up on those hot days or at extreme angles. These pumps come pre-wired from the factory, making installation more cost-effective and efficient for your operation. They feature a steel telescopic suction tube, an aluminum tank adapter with built-in filter strainer, as well as flange fittings. The position of this pump allows you to use the built-in nozzle holder, which is mounted opposite of the rear window, making it easily accessible. And it keeps the nozzle out of your truck bed and free of dirt and debris. These flange fittings make the pump more compact and infinitely adjustable, and installation is a breeze. If you want to know more about the EX50 or EX75, check out Pusey.com. That's PIUSI.com. Whether I'm headed out for a weekend camping adventure or just need a way to secure my gear, the DZ Guardian tonneau cover is going to be my new best friend for all of my outdoor adventures. The rear panel opens easily thanks to these dampened gas shocks, which can be easily detached thanks to this quick release button. This allows the rear panel to fold over 180 degrees for open access. And the lockable handle is connected to these full-length locking rods that'll keep my gear secure. The Guardian tonneau cover features outer extrusions, giving me endless options for tie-downs and accessories wherever I need them. With an impressive weight rating of 800 pounds, I can transport all of my essentials with any T-slot compatible crossbars or racks. Constructed from .056 bright tread aluminum, this cover is built to last. and it has a texture black powder coat finish and die cast corners for added durability. The channel system drains water away from the tonneau surface while the tailgate seal keeps the dust out, ensuring my gear stays clean and dry no matter the conditions. Proudly made in the US, the Guardian tonneau cover is crafted with high quality and attention to detail. So whether I'm hitting the trails, going camping, or just need a reliable cover for my truck, the DZ Guardian tonneau cover is the perfect choice. So you already got Oracle's flush mount taillights for your Jeep Gladiator JT. But what if you want something a little more? What are you supposed to do then? Well, how about adding the Oracle Lighting racetrack style flush mount LED tailgate panel light? Oh yeah, that'll do it. Designed with inspiration from the Mopar racetrack taillight you've seen on the Dodge Charger and Durango, this innovative product from Oracle Lighting brings that bold look to the Gladiator. And it's not just about looks either. With the integrated LED parking light and brake light and turn signals, you're getting a whole lot of style with all that function. Oh, and you're gonna love this. The hazard lights have that same dynamic motion effect. This thing is seriously cool. Built tough with durable polycarbonate construction, it's designed to handle whatever the road or trail throws at it. And it's super easy to install, no complicated wiring needed. Just a simple plug and play with a 4-pin connector, so you'll be up and running in no time at all. And this tailgate panel light is compatible with the Jeep JT flush mount tail lights and works seamlessly with both the base and LED models. So you're just a few steps away from giving your Jeep a custom and badass look. Whether you're driving around town or hitting the trail, the Oracle Lighting Racetrack Flush Style LED Tailgate Panel Light is the upgrade you didn't know you needed. But trust me, you're gonna want it. So if you want to set your Jeep Gladiator apart from the rest of the crowd, the Oracle Lighting Racetrack Style Flush Mount LED Tailgate Panel Light is the perfect mod for you. Check it out at oraclelights.com.